Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gems Crush. Today I am going to share an exciting video which will give you a lot of information of getting profit. Our today's project is a great online earning project that will provide you a lot of profit. It is a token project. When you buy a token and you can hold that token up for a long time so that you can earn money. So before we go toward our main project, you have to subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you will get the instant information about upcoming events. So now we go toward our main project. Here you can watch our project name is Doggy Cash. Here you can watch our project name is present here, hold Doggy Cash and earn passive income in Doggy Coin. Here you can watch the whole information about them has been provided to you here. Doggy Cash procedure has been given to you. Here you can watch their marketing portion has been provided to you here. Here you can watch the make crypto again. So you can watch here make crypto again, buy Doggy Cash and view live chart. Here is given their live chart that has been present to you. Here you can read it carefully and watch here the all information about them has been provided to you. Their market cap, their circulating supply and total supply is also present here, and all information about them has been present here. You can read it carefully. Here you can watch the buy Doggy Cash. When you click on buy Doggy Cash, you will go toward Pancake Swap. Here you can watch the Pancake Swap is going to be opened here. After opening the Pancake Swap, you can watch here the BNB Cash will be provided to you here, and all information about them will be provided to you. Here you can make it close and you can watch here the all information about them will be provided to you. You can watch here your Dcash has been present here. You can copy this link and you can watch here the address has been copied. Here you can watch the BNB procedure will be provided to you here, or you can select any other currency that you want to make buy. Here you can select USDT or other cryptocurrency. Here you can enter the amount that you want to make, and here you can enter the Dcash procedure. Here you can watch 1 USDT has a lot of coins of Dcash. You can watch here the USDT per cash will be provided to you as slippage tolerance is 0.5% and connect wallet. When you click on the connect wallet, your wallet will be connected with your cash and you will buy your product. So it is a great way of getting profit. Here you can watch the all information about them will be provided to you here. All the procedure will be given to you. All the earning way is present here. So you can go toward your main project. Here you can watch the Doggy Coin Cash procedure will be provided to you here. Here you can watch the utility portion. The main of all utilities is by holding by Tesla Met with Doggy rewards and support the Doggy One SpaceX mission. So you can watch here that we are giving 5% Doggy Coin rewards. Auto claim features means your Doggy Coins reward will be automatically sent to your wallet. So you can watch here the buy option that has been present above. So you can watch here tokenomics is given here, rewards paid automatically for the first time ever. You don't need to claim your earned Doggy, it is automatically sent to your wallet. Just add the Pancake Swap token address of your wallet and say you are set. So you can watch the massive marketing plans are present here. 5% of every transaction is allocated to the marketing in Doggy Cash. Here you can watch the whole information about them has been provided to you, and all the procedure will be given to you here. Here you can watch the daily and monthly burns are present. We will burn 20% in total during development of the project. The burnt wallet is following one. So you can watch here the burnt wallet is present here. You can copy this and you can use it for the burnt procedure. Here you can watch 5% distribution is Doggy Cash, 3% auto liquidity and locked liquidity is also present. Majority of the initial LP tokens locked and some burned. You can watch here the connect with us. Our community has always been our number one priority. You can watch the follow us on Twitter and on our other social media platforms so to stay up to date. Here you can watch the Telegram and Twitter account. You can join them on their social media platform like Twitter and Telegram. I am going to show you on their Telegram Twitter account so that you can get information about their upcoming events that will be provided to you here. Here you can watch the 18 tweets has been already done. You can watch here the Doggy Cash 5% Doggy reward will be provided to you here. 55 followers are present. Go shield Dcash and stop jerking off. Here you can watch the whole information about them has been provided to you here. We are listed on and all the information about them has been given to you in this procedure. So it is a great project for earning. Here you can watch the how to buy Dogecoin. Here you can watch download and set up MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You can download any of them MetaMask, a crypto wallet in the form of browser extension, or a Trust Wallet, an app for your phone. After that, you will have to add the Binance Smart Chain to your network list. Click here for a step-by-step tutorial. You can watch here the all information about them given to you here. Here you can click so that you can get the all information about their upcoming events and all the procedure of earning. How can you download a MetaMask wallet and you can use it? Here you can watch buy and send BNB to MetaMask or Trust Wallet and exchange them toward your transfer to the MetaMask wallet BIP20 address. Start with a OX. So you can watch here the starting procedure will be given to you here, and head over to our swap to buy dollars. So you can watch here, click here to go the swap, select Doggy Cash, and all information of contract address will be provided to you here. Here you can watch their contract address is given here. You can copy this address and paste at your wallet, so you can make it easy. Set the slippage tolerance to 13%. Sometimes it may be 18% depending on how much demand there is. So you can watch here, view Doggy Cash and hold. Here you can watch the swap BNB to Doggy Cash. Now you need to add Doggy Cash contract address to your MetaMask or Trust Wallet to view your Doggy Cash. Lastly, HODL, hold. So you can watch here the add the Doggy Cash token address to the rewards as they are delivered. So you can watch here all the information about their product and how can you buy this coin, and all the address has been provided to you here. Here you can watch our board phase 1 exchange listing, Twitter influencer, every buy burn weekend, white paper launching, and first AMA at 250 holders are present here. Here you can watch the phase 2 and phase 3. Phase 4 is also present, will be announced soon. So you can watch their phase 3 procedure is given here. Merchandising launch, NFTs adoption and creation, Doggy donation and Doggy 1 mission. Here you can watch and Doggy Cash development OPS phase 1 10,000 holders, and all information about them has been provided to you here. So you can watch their team here. You can watch their team portion, team members are present here. Here you can watch their all information about them will be provided to you here. Their contact details will be also present. You can watch here the marketing portion of their product has been provided to you here. Here you can watch their roadmap and how to buy features that has been already told you. Here you can watch their contact information. You can join them on their social media so that you can get the information about their upcoming event. So it is a great project that will provide you a lot of profit. You can join this network for earning. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the information about upcoming events.